Bird, and today I'm going to be DIYing some room decor slash dorm room decor. A lot of these pieces are Wanderlust kind of mixed with Minimalistic, and I tried to kind of keep a similar color scheme of black and white and then added a little bit of pops of color like orange and red. Although these are mostly like room decor and dorm room decor type of DIYs, I actually included a lot of them in my DIY film background. So if you'd like to see that, I'll put that somewhere on the screen, or I'll put it up below in a little card thing if you'd like to go check that out. This is why I don't use a swivel chair. I literally can't sit still.
You better stop!
But as always, I made sure to make DIYs that are affordable, cheap, easy, and could be made from things that could be found around the house. So yeah, I think that's all I had to say, and without further ado, let's get into the video. For this first DIY, we are going to be making a Pinterest board-esque sort of a photo hanger or Polaroid hanger. To start out, I am using this little Polaroid hanger that I thrifted for like $3, and I'm just putting a white piece of paper and measuring how big the box is and then cutting it down to size. And then next I used a magazine and kind of just flipped through the pages, kind of seeing what colors work together. I kind of went for more of like natural hues mixed with some pinks and a little bit of blue. And then once I found a type of design that I liked in the collage, I then went in with just a regular glue stick and glued everything down. What I really love about this one is that it's super simple and can be made from just a simple magazine, and you don't even have to use it to decorate anything like this. You can also use it to just hang up on the wall by itself. This next little DIY is a little mason jar planter, and pretty much what you need for this is a mason jar, an empty picture frame, and some metal wire. And then I also put decorations inside of the jar just so that I didn't have an actual plant there, because I'd probably kill it within 1 second. And pretty much what I did for this one is I wrapped the wire around the frame a bunch of times to make sure it was super secure, and then I wrapped it around the jar so that the jar would seem like it was more suspended or floating in mid-air, and I wrapped that a couple times as well. And then after that, I just added in a few little things, some pearls, kind of to give it a vintage look, and then some flowers at the top to make it look like an actual plant was planted in it. This third one is kind of more of a life hack thrift flip, and I pretty much just spray painted this blue picture holder. For this fourth DIY, I kind of started like the paperclip one, so I just spray painted the outside and inside parts of this one. And then after that, I decorated the handle part with some fabric. I also love this one a lot because it's not only a room decor piece, but it's also practical and also doesn't take up much space because you could put it on the wall using kind of like command strips or something like that. And that's pretty much what I did for all of these when I attached them onto the wall so that it didn't cause any damage. But yeah, I just really loved the theme and how all of these turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to see more content from me if you'd like. I literally have nothing else to say, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!